Alright, so DIY auto tune. I did order, since my laptop does not have the adapter plug in it. I went ahead and bought the RS 323, I think is what it is, adapter plug to USB from DIY Auto. Here comes my one cable. I did unwrap the ECU, I can't lie about that. Air intake temperature sensor plug with the bung and the stop in it. Here goes the DB26 pin, so that way it could add on for flex fuel. The other 6-foot cord. The USB, since mine does not have a CD drive on it either, this way I got this fully downloaded, ready to do my ECU. Here's my vacuum tee, a couple bolts for it, the vacuum line, and the megasquirt plug and play 2 from DIY. Has the built-in map sensor, has the headphone jack. So I will be installing it later, and we'll see how hard it is, and hopefully it's not too bad. This one does have a preset tune on it, or preset maps. So I'm gonna go ahead and, once it's time, pull the old girl in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start on the tune. Alright, so here we go, stay tuned.